In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group. After you have successfully created a WhatsApp account, later you want to create a WhatsApp group, a common platform you can connect with your family and friends. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to create this WhatsApp group. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your WhatsApp app, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dots and tap on it. Among the bunch of menus, proceed to tap on New Group. So this will land you on an interface like this, where you have to select at least 2 participants to this group. So you have the option to go to select the contact that you want to add to this group, or you can make a quick search on the top right corner where you see this search icon and tap on it. In this case, I'm going to add these 2 contacts. So the first contact is this Mubarick MD. Then the next contact is also Mubarick Airtel. So after I added these 2 contacts, I can successfully go to the next page by tapping on this arrow icon. I can also proceed to give this group a name. So let me call this group Mubarick Group. Then I'll then continue to tap on this icon. That's it. I've successfully created this group on WhatsApp. So in the event I want to put anything, all I have to do is to come here and type anything that I want to type. In this case, I'm going to type something like hello, and then proceed to tap on send. So this message will go to these 2 contacts in addition, and that's it. You have successfully created a group on WhatsApp. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.